Hey guys, thanks for joining Andy and Nikki, and today we are here with business owner David Contreras with Quick Fit Foods, and we are going to be talking about the stubborn holiday way. Everybody says new year, new me, so one of those things is fitness. So David, tell me, how can I get skinny with your foods?
You gotta eat healthy foods. You gotta eat in moderation. You gotta have a balanced meals at all times.
But it's so hard. Do you work out, Andy?
No.
I mean,
Well,
do you try to?
Well, we walk a lot because what we do.
Yeah, so that kind of helps us.
It does. It does help us, but meal prepping, it's hard for me. I don't know.
And it's like the new trend that everyone's trying to do.
It is, but it's hard, like for us who market or who's out there
live in our cars.
We live and work out of our vehicles.
Definitely.
So to eat meal prep foods during the course of the day is hard, and our schedules overlap through dinner and lunches all the time. And but I think it's a good program. So tell us a little bit about these meal preps.
Yeah.
Quick Fit Foods is out of Corpus Christi. We do provide free delivery. We also cook twice a week to assure good food quality. I think Quick Fit Foods is the only one here in Corpus that actually does that. So it makes it good for the customers. You know, get fresh food.
That actually does what?
Fresh food twice a week. I don't want my customers.
You get food on a Monday, you get food on a Thursday. I know, I'm a customer. And
great
it's
customer,
awesome.
great customer.
And she looks fabulous, guys.
12 pounds, 12 pounds.
Thanks to Quick Fit Foods.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, so and what about the delivery? So you said that's a free part of your service?
It's free service. We deliver on Sundays and we deliver on Wednesdays, just depending on your schedule and all that good stuff.
And so how does one go about getting into a meal prep plan?
You can contact me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You can text me, talk to Nikki, or talk to 60 other customers here in Corpus Christi that do enjoy our program.
Okay, so where do you service?
We service Corpus Christi and the surrounding areas. We're also in San Antonio, and we're coming into Austin here in this year.
Nice. So that's awesome.
So they're getting pretty
exciting,
big, guys.
Yeah.
And the food is fabulous, just to let you know. Like if he has mango and pineapples, and it's nice.
Pepperonis.
Yes.
Pizza
I didn't know you could be on a meal prep and have 2 pepperonis on some chicken breast. Like it's amazing.
Let's talk about like meal prep with chocolate.
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Eat it in moderation.
One Hershey kiss at night. Just know it's you.
Yeah. It's like, no, this sounds very, very awesome, and I appreciate what you do, and I think it's great. For Corpus Christi's known for a high diabetic rate here.
Yes, it is.
Yes.
And it's really, and it would be really good to get people who have that type of disease to have this type of food available to them and getting the right nutrients and to stay healthy and to be on top of.
And pricing, phone numbers, they're all on his
Facebook.
Twitter,
and we'll provide it for you also.
Yes.
We want to thank you for joining us. Have a good time this year. We wish you all the luck in the world.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Bye.